IELTS vocabulary, understanding and using garish. Imagine walking into a room so bright and colorful that it almost hurts your eyes. That's exactly what we're exploring today with our IELTS vocabulary word, garish. This powerful adjective is essential for describing extreme visual experiences and can significantly enhance your descriptive writing and speaking skills for the IELTS exam. Word type. Garish is an adjective, meaning garish refers to something that is excessively bright, showy, or ornate to the point of being unpleasant or tasteless. It often describes colors, decorations, or styles that are overly elaborate or attention-seeking in a way that's considered vulgar or lacking in refinement. Word history. The word garish has an interesting etymology. It originated in the late Middle English period, around the 15th century. It's believed to have come from the obsolete verb gare, which meant to stare or gaze. This connection makes sense, as garish things tend to catch the eye, often in an uncomfortable way. Antonyms. To better understand garish, let's look at its opposites. Some antonyms include subdued, muted, tasteful, understated, refined, and subtle. These words all describe visual or stylistic qualities that are the opposite of garish, emphasizing restraint and elegance rather than excessive showiness. Synonyms. Now, let's explore some synonyms that can be used interchangeably with garish in certain contexts. These include gaudy, flashy, loud, lurid, ostentatious, and flamboyant. Each of these words carries a similar connotation of excessive or tasteless visual impact. Examples used in sentences. Let's see how we can use garish in various contexts to demonstrate its versatility and impact. The neon signs in Las Vegas created a garish display that illuminated the entire street. Her garish makeup was out of place at the formal dinner party, drawing uncomfortable stares from other guests. The interior designer advised against using such a garish color scheme in the living room, suggesting more subtle tones instead. The garish album cover art was intentionally designed to shock and attract attention in record store displays. Common errors in use. When using garish, it's important to avoid some common mistakes. First, remember that garish is always negative in connotation. Don't use it to describe something positively bright or cheerful. For that, words like vibrant or vivid would be more appropriate. Secondly, garish primarily refers to visual qualities. While it can occasionally be used metaphorically for non-visual concepts, it's best to stick to visual descriptions for the IELTS exam. Lastly, be careful not to confuse garish with similar sounding words like garnish, which has a completely different meaning related to decorating food or legally seizing property. Mastering the word garish and using it accurately in your IELTS speaking and writing tasks can demonstrate a sophisticated vocabulary and a nuanced understanding of descriptive language. Remember, it's not just about knowing the definition, but also about understanding the connotations and using the word in the right context. By incorporating garish into your linguistic toolkit, you're one step closer to achieving that coveted band score 9.0.